Are you too worried about your future? Might be overthinking what's gonna happen and how. Some say don't stress because whatever has been destined for you is gonna come to you. Like I always say, I know God has planned everything, but He doesn't help the ones who are not able to help their own self. He has never said just sit and pray and He'll get you what you want. Being worried is okay, but don't stress yourself and don't get depressed. The other day I was just surfing when I went through this. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. It really hit me. I mean, it's like something we know but not think about it. It really hit me so hard that I had to change my own routine. I was forced to think, what if I don't do it today? It's gonna affect my tomorrow. And this is what happens. We think that our steps doesn't count, but if you take a deep breath and think, then every single step counts. And it's gonna affect the next minute to come, the next day, and then the next year. If you've planned to do something today, but you plan to do it tomorrow because you feel too lazy, then your tomorrow's plans are gonna be moved to the next day and it's gonna affect your future. If you've taken rest, it's enough, people. Get your ass up and get back to work. No one's gonna come to help you. You're on your own. Get the shit done today. Don't skip your task and stress over it. Some of you just get depressed and not work on the thing that's depressing you or that's troubling your mind. Try to find the solution, because this is how you get crazy and you release your anger at the people around you and you lose them. Don't let your tasks wait. Just get it done with. Then see how your future changes. You will definitely feel relaxed and your mind will stop troubling you. You will be hungry to do more. Trust me, I have experienced this thing. We keep delaying things, thinking I'm gonna need this and that, but trust me, once you start doing something, the doors open automatically. Just to remind you, take a screenshot and save it. See you in the next video.